I'm gonna head back. Okay guys, I'm gonna head back now. I'm walking. This is Eda. Video number 2. My weight loss journey, 1 step, 1 pound. The wind's getting kind of strong. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it's getting kind of strong. So I guess I'll go back. And then I'll come back another day. This is how I do every year. I come to this park and I walk to build my strength up. And like I said, it's nice here. It's been redone. So I was going to show you the squirrel, but he took off. Yeah, there's no one here today to enjoy this nice weather. You know, it gets really warm, and then the next day it will be cool. Then it will get really warm, and then it's cool. Is it like that where you are in your state? Like I said, this is a hard time right now to push yourself to walk or do anything. I lost my sister at 80 years old. She would have had her birthday April the 6th, which is getting close. But yeah, I just thought I'd walk down and show y'all. Look how green now. How nice and green. Yeah. I'm loving these new sidewalks. You don't have to worry about falling or anything. Where I live, the sidewalks are not good. You can fall really easily if you trip. And so yeah, they're getting a lot done here. Makes it really nice. I really don't understand the difference. I've never asked them when they're here working, what's the difference in this sidewalk that I'm walking on and the pavement one. So maybe the pavement is for four-wheelers, bicycles. I think that's what it is. So y'all be blessed. Have a great day. Check out my channel. Like I said, please like and subscribe. Share if you'd be so kind. And I will talk to you possibly tomorrow when it's warm again, although I have a couple of appointments. So everyone be blessed. Have a great day. Bye-bye.